So when you receive your presets, they will be exactly like this, 15 presets, and they will be into a zip folder. You just have to unzip that folder and you can open the presets, and you need to copy them into the camera raw. So what you do, you go to Go, press Option, you go to Library, Application Support, Adobe, Camera Raw, and then you go to Settings. In here you see I don't have that preset, so what I will do, I will copy it, VB Origin A Test, and I will put it here. Once that is copied, it should go somewhere in here, probably at the bottom. But if we go back into the session and we open this image, then we go into the presets. So we are right now into the presets, my presets, the one what you have, and you can see VB Origin A Test was added into the list. So like this, you make sure that you uploaded the correct presets. So right now you'll just have to go through the each preset and see which one suits your style. Sometimes you have to adjust it because baby skin differs from baby to baby, and she was a little bit jaundiced, so pretty much this preset will suit her, and you go with that. So I hope you know how to load your presets, and in the next one I will show you how to edit the images with the presets. So right now I would like to, alright, so now that you know how to put the presets in your camera raw ACR, now I will show you how to put this preset into your images. So what I've done, I opened the images with Bridge. I took them from my folder. If you come right up the top, you can see that it's where they're located. And if we go back, this is my baby. We go in RAW. I've done my 5-star selection. We go here 5 stars, and right now you'll have the images, and I've just done a selection of 5 images. So I will just open this in camera raw, and let's rotate some of this so you can see them better. And this one is up more rotation. Very good. Now coming into my first image, I won't do anything. The only thing which I will do, I will apply my presets. So I will move this image right here so you can see the entire screen. The presets button, you can find it right before this 3 dots, more image settings. So we go into preset, and as you'll see, as I go on the preset, you'll have different. This is the one which I love, and depending how you shoot, cooler or warmer, you can go to this preset, or you can go to Origin 4, and again you will be able to choose the preset which you really love. Now some of the presets you'll be able to use into your more let's say boho look or something like that, but what I love, it's my Origin 2. That's my to go. Now in the moment when you selected it and you want to apply it to all the images, you select the entire images, and then you go to this little 3 dots. I'm using my mouse now, so bear with me. Usually I like to use my Wacom tablet. So coming into this image, this is perfect for me. This looks perfect too, but if you didn't like so much the highlights, you can pull it down a bit. Then here maybe let's pull it down just a little bit, the highlights. You can play with your temperature. If you believe that this 6500 Kelvin is too much, then you can change that. This one, it's a little bit dark for me in here, so I will increase his exposure a little bit, and you can increase a little bit the highlights. Keep in mind each backdrop sucks the light differently, so you have to adjust accordingly. I do like my shadows to be darker, so I will leave them like that and just a tiny bit increase the shadows in there. This one, I like it how it looks. Maybe I will drop a little bit the highlight, and this looks great too. Just tiny bit more light onto his chubby face, and you can see your histogram here. You can play with your shadow exposure in here too, but usually I like the sliders. So if you see that the shadows are a little bit too dark, just increase that. Cool. So for me, these are pretty set, and then the only thing which I will do is that I will select these images, go to this arrow shot, and then save them into your favorite folder.